Today we are looking at a Clipper M2B. This unit has been upgraded and rebuilt by us here at Commodity Traders International. We are making this video to demonstrate the CTI ball tray kit for these small seed cleaners. This ball tray kit will work for the Clipper M2B and the Eliminator 224. We are going to show you how to install the ball trays. We can see that we have the first ball tray in place. It slides in. You can see that the ball tray is up against the back here. You can see that the wood is touching the tongue that goes into the fan induction slot. These ball trays have a spring pin system. You can see that they slide in and then we push forward, and then the spring pin latches behind that hook there, that notch. We do the same thing for the other side. We get the spring pin into the hole, we push it forward and latch it behind that notch. Now we have the bottom ball tray installed and we can put the screen in. All right, we are about to install the bottom screen. This is also known as the sift screen. Now for the screens to go in as easy as possible, we want to group all of our balls right here in the middle. And then we can go ahead and push the screen in. Now the balls want to catch a little bit on the screen frame. All we have to do is just push them in as we go. Then we can push the screen in a little bit more till it hits the next set of balls. And we just pop those balls down and in and behind the screen frame. And now we've got the bottom or the sift screen installed. We've got it up against the backstops. We can see now that the screen is in place. Now we can use the pistol grip to keep the screen from sliding back and forth as the shoe shakes. When you receive your CTI ball tray kit, it will also come with a jig that allows you to get the position of the spring pin hole perfect inside of the shoe of your cleaner. It's imperative that that is drilled into the right place. Again, your ball tray kit will come with a jig. Okay, now we can slide in the top ball tray. It drops in just like that. Now it's imperative that we get this front board to go underneath of that lip. You can see that the ball tray is all the way forward. Now we can lock in our spring pins. Got to get it launched into the hole there, and then we catch it and put it back behind that hook there. And the spring tension holds the ball tray in place. Same goes for this side. Get it lined up with the hole, get it up inside of the hole, and then we lock it behind that hook right there. Now we are ready to install the top screen. Note that there should be 6 balls per compartment. I like to divide them up, so 3 on this side of the divider and 3 on this side. 6 balls per compartment. Okay, we've got the balls grouped to the middle of the ball tray. Again, we do that so that the screen can slide in easier. It allows the screen frame to have a little bit of relief as we slide the screen in, because the balls can roll up and stop right there. When that does happen, it's not a big deal. We can just take a screwdriver or our fingers and poke them in as we slide the screen in. And now we have the screen in place up against the backstops. Now we secure the screen in place by pulling on the pistol grip and rotating it down. And now that we have the ball trays installed, we can fire the unit up and see it run. We can see that the ball trays and the screens are not moving in the shoe. That means they're installed correctly. You can see we've got good agitation on the shoe. You can see that the balls are bouncing back and forth. The balls bounce back and forth and vibrate to keep your screens from blinding. This simplifies the unit, removes a lot of the wearable parts like the brush system. Again, this ball tray system is sold by us here at Commodity Traders International. This concludes the video on the CTI ball tray system. If you bought the CTI ball tray kit for the M2B or the Eliminator 224, it will come with ball trays, a jig for the drilling of the spring pin hole into the shoe, and balls. That would make it a complete set. Again, this ball tray system is available from us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell every part needed to keep these M2B seed cleaners going, and we sell a wide variety of seed feed and milling machinery. Thank you for watching.